Good morning guys, it's early in the morning right now. I'm at this forest and today I'll hopefully get some good footage of birds and other possible wildlife. There's a rufous trooper that just took off. Okay, first thing I'm going to try and do is look for an owl, either the brown fish owl or the mottled owl. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, this tree right here looks pretty good for an owl. I'm just going to check the whole thing and see what happens. Sadly, I didn't find any owls, but instead, I witnessed something even more special. There are a bunch of parakeets on these trees. These adult parakeets were gathering food and gently feeding their young. It was such a quiet and intimate moment, and I was lucky enough to capture it on video. Next, I decided to walk toward the grassland. This area over here near this water is quite good for flycatchers later during the day. So I'm walking towards the grassland right now. Once I'm back, I'll check this spot out. Hopefully we get some flycatchers. Oh wait, there's a small bird here. There's an oriental magpie robin here. Such a beautiful bird. It's calling. There's a white-bellied drongo. It's sitting there in the open. But there are a lot of branches in the way, so my autofocus is kind of struggling here. Shows that even the best autofocus can struggle sometimes. So I'm just gonna manual focus it. And this little guy was busy having his morning meal. As I continued walking, the landscape opened up into this beautiful grassland. I've just come to the grassland and I just saw a yellow-throated sparrow sitting on that bush right there. I got a small clip, couldn't take any photos. It's quite sunny now, so hopefully we might see some raptors flying around in the sky. The activity in the grassland was pretty slow, so after spending some time there, I headed back into the forest. A bunch of lapwings just flew over here and I got a couple of videos. Now we're going to head back to the forest because it's warmed up a bit. The flycatchers are going to be out. Let's see what we can get. Okay, so there's a fantail flycatcher over here. It's like hopping around between. It's calling right now. I think you can hear it. Fantail, spot brusher. Next, I saw what might be the most beautiful bird I've ever seen. The black-naped monarch. Where's it? Oh yeah, it was in a good spot. Okay, so it's just sitting there on the tree. Oh, it just came down. And that wraps up the morning. I had a great time out there and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you like content like this, consider subscribing. It would mean the world. Drop a comment and let me know what you want to see next. And until next time, peace.